Hey, what's up, Built on the Budget family? This is your boy, Built on the Budget. Hey, look, we talked about getting that Tahoe with a little growl on it, and I got her sitting up at the muffler shop today, getting ready to make that happen. I'm gonna turn this camera around and kind of show you what's going on. Yeah, you see that old big old ball up under the bottom? We're finna snatch that off, and we're finna snatch that off, and we're going with that flowmaster. So hopefully we can have this puppy growling in no time flat. So what I want to do is, whenever they get it right and we get this first start, I'll take it, turn y'all back on and let you see what's going on. Okay, family. Hey, look, I'm back. I'm at a custom muffler shop, right? And, you know, I get it. I'm built on a budget, but I don't mind paying for what I need. So the man tells me that the muffler I got might not quite fit perfect, and it was gonna be a little extra money if he had to make it fit. So I'm good with that. You know, I'm built on the budget, but I believe in giving the man what his first shake is in life. So I agreed on that. So this cat gonna take and put my muffler up there, which it seemed like these Tahoes got look like a 3-inch pipe on it. And he wanna stick a little bitty 1.25 inch, 2-inch pipe inside of my tailpipe and my muffler to make it fit. I said, dude, you finna restrict it. You can't do that. And he got mad and put me out. But that's okay. He didn't put that little piece of muffler inside of my that little piece of pipe inside my muffler. I mean, I'm at a custom shop. I'm not here for no junk, no crap. I mean, I could have made some mess. I could have probably did it right at the house. But I decided to pay somebody to do it. So he got a little upset with me, told me I had to get out the shop. Boy, these cats out here, man, you try to do the right thing. You try to patronize people, try to put them on game. And they just trying to get by with the bare minimum. You're not gonna rig my stuff up at a custom muffler shop, man. Fix my stuff the way it's supposed to be. So he almost threw. Once I showed him what I really wanted, I think he agreed that I was right, and he seen that I wasn't gonna back down, but I still had to get out. So I'm gonna go back and I'll let you hear this whole when I crank it. Here's gonna be the. You don't see it? Okay. Oh, hey, my fault, my friend. It's not in the ignition? Oh, okay, hold up. It ain't all of that loud. Got a nice little growl to it. We'll have to see what it sounds like going down the road. I believe I'll be happy with it because I ain't really want to nothing real loud anyway. But maybe Mama will be happy with that. We have to let her see this afternoon when I do a video. So listen, I'm glad that I was able to take y'all along with me today on this venture. The hoe has a growl. So let's see if we can hear it a little bit better. Drop down below in the comments. Let me know what you think. And we're gonna go ahead and shut this one down, and we will be posting more videos. That's why you need to smash the notification bell, and stay tuned with all of the videos that I got coming. This is your boy Built on the Budget. To the next video.